Thank you, Eric. Good morning, everyone. I'm Barb. This is Alex, and we're from Ixaris Systems. Alex and I hate the word no. We hate saying it, and we hate hearing it. And yet financial providers worldwide are having to say no to their clients' bespoke payment solutions because of the high cost, long development time, and nightmare of integration. Just look at Visa and MasterCard, who for those reasons have to say no to an estimated 50% of their potential payment projects. So I'd like to introduce a payment application platform that lets you say yes. Yes to your clients, yes to safety, and yes to profitable. As launched here today at Finovate, I'd like to introduce Open. Open is a payment application platform that opens up access to global networks like Visa, MasterCard, and SWIFT to developers, businesses, and entrepreneurs. Open overcomes the barriers of time, cost, and integration. Open offers a new approach to rapid application development through reusable components we call paylets. Picture these paylets working like Legos, allowing you to easily assemble an application by adding, combining, and removing functionalities as and when needed. If you look to the screen, I'll take you through some of our paylets. Fund Forward is P2P worldwide. CardWorks gives you a way to create and run plastic-branded card programs. Customer Connect offers businesses a simple way to send payments to customers worldwide. And for that group golf outing you might be planning, Pay Together lets individuals pay separately but pool payment. Now, Alex is going to show you how Open is working in the real world for a client of ours.
Hi, I'm going to show you how Open changed a no to a yes for one of our clients, RMX. RMX is an international shipping company based right here in New York and operates a shop and ship service that allows foreign buyers to buy goods at US websites. But RMX had a real problem. US merchants tend to use AVS to manage card fraud, but AVS is largely unsupported outside of the US. In fact, almost 70%, that is 70%, of RMX's customers found that they could not complete purchases at US merchants. What they needed was to issue a single-use virtual prepaid card that is accepted at US merchants, funded by the user's credit card or debit card, and then fraud would be managed in the best way available for such international cards, using 3D Secure, for instance. But RMX were told this solution was too bespoke and too complicated to be economically viable. And that's where Open comes in. So I'm going to move on to the Open platform and show how this application was created for RMX. I'm going to log in to a developer account. I'm logged in as Bob Smith, and RMX is just one of my projects. And taking the RMX Shop and Ship Payments app, I can basically start to create the solution that RMX need. First of all, any app can be configured so that it's only available in certain countries, supporting certain languages, and offering only certain currencies. But the heart of the app, in this case, is powered by the virtual card paylet, which I click on here. Each paylet can have a number of configurations that determine its behavior. So, for example, I can set limits and the number of options. I can set some anti-fraud rules. I can easily change its appearance, for instance, how the virtual card will appear within the RMX website. But I'm going to now turn to how to actually integrate this functionality within the RMX environment. I'm going to take the form which allows the user to apply for the virtual card. First thing I see is that I can change parameters like the limit on the card that's going to be offered. at the application stage. I can also set various attributes. But what you see below is something called a PayML tag. PayML allows the web developer to simply cut and paste this within the HTML, making these active payment elements be part of the website. Now, any page that has PayML tags within it is actually served by the open server directly and securely to the end user for security reasons. But let's see how this form would look within the RMX context. And that's it. That's how easy it is to embed this functionality. Yet, this doesn't quite look right. So let's change that. That blue doesn't quite look right there. It's pretty easy to change. So I can change things like the font. I'm going to change the background to white. I can also upload a whole lot of attributes to a cascading style sheet. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. Right, that looks much, much better. And typically, that's how easy it is to develop these applications, and certainly have done for RMX. This application actually took 2 weeks from the moment we actually started working with RMX on the user experience to it being ready to go.
So in that example, RMX is happy, as is the merchant and the end user. But what does open mean for the financial provider? If you look at our example here, our partner, Barclays, can log into a dashboard to see in real time the transactions being generated worldwide through the open platform. If you'd like to be a partner with us, we have a table outside and would love to talk to you. So if you take one thing away from this presentation, it's that open can help you say yes. Yes to your clients safely and profitably. Open is open for business today. Come see us at our table, where we'll give you an extended demo, and we're also offering 50 exclusive invitations to participate in our developer beta. Thank you.